We were looking for a way to get our farm's name out there. And so, we saw a lot of success in Hallsboro and places like Clinton. I mean, they get 15,000 people out there every year. And so what my passion is growing vegetables. I really like the farming side of farming. I was trying to create an environment that people could come to every year, and it's kind of like a community space people could enjoy, and just kind of get a piece of what it's like to farm. And because we're missing that in our everyday lives more and more. People, surrounded by concrete and less grass. And so I wanted to, create a space that people could enjoy what it's like to be a farmer. So we contacted a couple maize companies that specialize in doing stuff like this, and they already had their own games and their own infrastructure that we could just plug into and kind of tweak a little bit and make our own. And so we hit up Maize Play, and they came out here and designed it, and we approved it. We went with it. They take a grid of the field and they punch it into their GPS program on their tractor and their electronic planner, and it drops the seed right where you need it, and it literally prints out the design in seed. And then you just water it, pray that the weather isn't going to drown it or something, and hope that it comes in. My grandfather, both sides of my family have always been involved in UNCW. My grandfather was on the board for a number of years, and my great-grandfather on the Trask side was really supportive of the school in its early days. And so I felt that it was very fitting for me to get back into farming and also kind of follow their footprints in supporting UNCW too. We'll stay up until November the 7th, and our operating hours are Thursday through Sunday, 10 to 7.